Top 5 Thai GL actresses who are openly gay or queer. Hello guys, welcome to CK Gossip. Like, share, subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. Number 1. Name Fareen Sarocha. Nickname and profession. Fareen Sarocha is a talented Thai actress, model and singer. She is properly known by her nickname Fareen. She entered the Thai entertainment industry with a passion for storytelling and quickly became a beloved icon in the girls' love genre. Age and date of birth. Fareen was born on August 8, 1998, making her 27 years old as of 2025. Openly gay, Fareen has become a powerful symbol for LGBTQ plus representation in Thai media, while she has labeled her orientation publicly in specific terms. Her role in GL dramas and close off-screen bond with co-stars Becky Armstrong has led many fans to celebrate her as a part of the queer community. She continues to be a proud ally and advocate. Net worth and income source. As of 2025, Fareen's estimated net worth is around 1.5 million US dollars. Her income sources include acting, modeling, contracts, endorsements, and fan events. Fareen has collaborated with international brands and frequently appears at fan meets across Asia, contributing to her growing wealth. Famous chemistry. Freen shares undeniable chemistry with Becky Armstrong, her co-star in Gap the series. Fans globally adore their natural, genuine bond both on screen and in real life. Their Freen-Becky pairing has become a fan favorite and one of the most loved GL couples in Asia. Final note, Fareen Sorocha is a trailblazer in the Thai GL industry. With her talent, openness, and charming personality, she continues to inspire millions. Number 2. Name Amy Thasorn. Nickname and profession. Amy Thasorn, commonly known as Amy, is a Thai actress and model with a rising profile in the GL scene. Age and date of birth. Born on March 16, 1998. Amy is currently 27 years old. Openly gay, Amy is among the few Thai actresses admired for their openness about LGBTQ plus identities. While Amy herself put a specific label on her orientation, she plays queer roles with sincerity and has attended pride events in Thailand, expressing solidarity with the LGBTQ plus community. Net worth and income source. Amy's net worth is estimated to be around 800k US dollar in 2025. She earns primarily through acting roles, brand partnerships, social media endorsements, and fan club memberships. Her clean image and professionalism attract top tier brands in fashion and beauty. Famous chemistry. Her strongest on-screen chemistry is often discussed with co-actresses Thanvi, but fans also love her solo performance depth. Amy's ability to create romantic tension on screen adds authenticity to her pairings. Final note. Amy is more than a rising star, she is an icon for thoughtful acting and subtle elegance. Her presence in Thai GL dramas brings depth and authenticity, making her a respected role model and artist in the entertainment world. Number 3. Name Noe Natanicha. Nickname and profession. Noe is a prominent Thai actress and model, best known for her work in GL dramas, affectionately known as Noe. She has earned love from her fans for her charming on-screen presence and expressive acting. Age and date of birth. Noe was born on May 11, 1995, which makes her 30 years old as of 2025. Openly gay. Noe is openly gay and one of the most visible LGBTQ plus Thai actresses in the industry. Her openness has inspired fans and peers alike. She often uses her platform to promote LGBTQ plus awareness and inclusivity, attending pride events and supporting diversity in media. Net worth and income source. As of 2025, Noe's net worth is approximately 1 million US dollars. She earns through acting, modeling, social media campaigns, and brand endorsements. Famous chemistry. Noah's most celebrated chemistry is with Pani Sara, her co-star from their early GL roles. Their pairing set standards in Thai GL drama for its authenticity and depth, making them fan favorite among early LGBTQ plus content followers. Final note: Noe Natnicha is a pioneer of Thai GL representation, using her talent and truth to empower others. Her continued commitment to the genre and her fearless honesty about her identity have made her a beacon for fans of diversity and queer representation in Southeast Asia. Number 4. Name: Tina Supanand. Nickname and profession. Tina is highly respected Thai actress, model, and singer, often regarded as a legend in the Thai GL genre. Known simply as a Tina, she gained international fame with her unique style and tomboyish appeal, which resonate deeply with fans across Asia. Age and date of birth. Tina was born on February 12, 1991, making her 34 years old in 2025. Openly gay. Yes, Tina is openly gay and one of Thailand's earliest openly lesbian public figures in the entertainment industry. Her brave portrayal of same-sex love in a conservative media landscape opened doors for many others. She remains a strong voice for LGBTQ plus representation and freedom of identity. Net worth and income source. Tina's net worth as of 2025 is estimated to be around 2 million US dollars. Her income streams including acting, brand collaboration, music projects, live events, and her influence as a fashion icon. Famous chemistry. Tina's unforgettable chemistry with Om Sushar in Yes or No was groundbreaking. Fans adored their pairing for its sincerity and passion. Final note: Tina is more than a GL actress, she is a cultural icon. Her bravery and talent helped shape a generation's understanding of LGBTQ plus stories. As an artist and activist, she continues to advocate for acceptance and equality, making her a true legend in Thai entertainment. Number 5. Name: Sylvie Pavida. Nickname and profession. Sylvie is a singer, model, and LGBTQ plus advocate known for her fearless persona and genre-breaking music. Sylvie, as she is professionally known, is a Thai Italian and has made waves for blending pop music with empowerment. Age and date of birth. Sylvie was born on March 17, 1997, making her 28 years old as of 2025. Openly gay. Sylvie is proudly and openly queer. She has talked about her bisexuality and love for women in interviews and on social media. Her bold identity and unapologetic attitude have inspired a generation of queer Thai fans to live authentically and out loud. Net worth and income source. Sylvie's net worth is estimated to be 1.2 million US dollar in 2025. Her earnings come from music streams, concerts, fashion endorsements, reality shows, and LGBTQ plus partnerships. She is also a brand ambassador for gender inclusive campaigns in Thailand and abroad. Famous chemistry. Sylvie shares great chemistry with her real life partner and often featured her in public performances and music videos. Final note. Sylvie is redefining queer pop culture in Thailand. Through her music, activism, and fierce self expression, she has carved out a space that empowers women and queer individuals. She is not just a performer, she is a movement. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, CK Gossip.